float buys a car at 670,000 Thai baht. The value of the car depreciates by 7% in the first year and then 6% in each of the subsequent year. Work out the value of the car after 4 years, giving your answer correct to the nearest Thai baht. Okay, the multiplier for a 7% decrease is going to be 1 minus 0.07. So 100% take 7%, which means you have 0.93 left, or 93% left. The multiplier for a 6% decrease is going to be 1 minus 0.06, which is going to be 0.94. Right, so after 4 years, a car will be worth the original amount times 0.93 for the first year, and then times 0.94 to the power of 3, because the next 3 years it will just depreciate by 6%. Okay, if you work that out, you're going to get 517,536.89 baht, which is 517,537 Thai baht to the nearest Thai baht. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to work out a compound decrease. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.